Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. eGov guide step by step how to access PNP service online. So here how to access your PNP service online in eGov right here. So here eGovPH. So here all you need to do is log in, and once you've logged in, click on the NGAS right here. Right there button. Press on that. After pressing on the NGAS right there, all we need to do is just go down and find the PNP. PNP. There you go. Once you find the PNP, that's the PNP and the PNP logo. Then press on it. After pressing on it, you will see all of this right here. Now, choose one. Just press on one. As you can see, currently under unavailable. So now we're gonna click on PNP website right here. There you go. Now we are accessing the PNP website right here, the public website right here for all the people who want to access it. So this is very useful because if you don't know where to access it, or you might just open a scam website, I suggest just going right here so you won't be scammed or anything, because this will help you go to the official website itself right there. So now there you go, as you can see. So yeah, there you go. And here you can also get your national police clearance application right here by just clicking on it, but it's under maintenance, so you need to wait. And here we have the firearms explosive office. There you go. Now we're gonna go back, and we also have the SOSI online system right here. So here, there you go guys. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys like the video, but you guys enjoyed. And if you have any more questions about the eGovPH, you can type it on the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And there you go guys. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.